Hi everyone, I'm Laura. In today's video, we're going to practice the single letter sounds of the alphabet. We will first talk about the vowel sounds, which are the letters A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, followed by the consonants, basically all the other letters. This video is intended for young learners or beginners to get a quick start on the most basic sounds. It is by no means a complete guide to phonics, as sounds and spellings are actually two very different things. We will talk about complex sounds in other lessons, so this is lesson 1 of our Phonics for Beginners series. If you are not yet familiar with your ABCs, please check my previous video in the link down below. Let's start with short vowel sounds. A, apple. A, apple. I like apples. E, egg. E, egg. I eat eggs for breakfast. Igloo. Igloo. Igloos are made of snow. Octopus. Octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. Umbrella. Umbrella. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrella. Pretty. Pretty. I bought a pretty dress. Or my. My. This is my bag. Now on to simple consonants. B, bear. Bear. The bear is brown. Cat. Cat. My cat is sleeping. Or circle. Circle. I draw a circle. Kite. Kite. Let's fly a kite at the park. Dog. Dog. The dog is playing in the yard. Fish. fish. The fish swims in the pond. G, g, grapes. G, g, grapes. Count the grapes. Or j, j, giraffe. J, j, giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Hat. Hat. She wears a hat in the summer. J, j, jam. J, j, jam. A peanut butter and jam sandwich. L, l, lion. L, l, lion. Lions are fierce. M, m, milk. M, m, milk. Do you want milk with your coffee? N, n, nut. N, n, nut. Cashews and almonds are nuts. P, p, pig. P, p, pig. The pink pig lives on the farm. K, k. Q is usually paired with U, which sounds like qu, qu, as in queen. Qu, qu, queen. Please bring the queen her crown. R, r, rabbit. R, r, rabbit. The rabbit and the turtle are racing. S, s, sun. S, s, sun. It's a nice day. The sun is out. T, t, tiger. T, t, tiger. Tigers and lions are big cats. V, v, violin. V, v, violin. He can play the violin. W, w, window. W, w, window. I see a bird on the window. X, x, xylophone. X, x, xylophone. We cannot play the xylophone. Y, y, yo-yo. Y, y, yo-yo. Mary can do tricks with a yo-yo. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. So here are the single letter phonics that you need to remember today. If you want to practice phonics at home with young learners, I recommend using phonics cards. They're inexpensive and a great way to build up memory. Here are a few ways you can use phonics cards at home. Set the card on the table and say the sound, for example, ah, and say the word cat. Once you have enough cards, ask the child to find, for instance, sl. Let him read the word. You can also go through the vocabulary on the backside if the level is good enough. You can find the link for the cards I just used in the description below. I hope you now understand a bit more about phonics. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Thanks for watching.